Good day, everyone. We will welcome back to another topic that is office equipment and technology. The overview under this topic, we have office machines, whereby we are going to look at the computer, printer, scanner. It's not a big deal, but notwithstanding, we just brush through of what we have known before. You can get more from the slide. Digital tools and software for office work, then electronic communication in terms of email, video conferencing, and instant messaging, then office automation and artificial intelligence in office. Office equipment and technology refer to the tools, devices, and software used in a modern workplace in order to facilitate the productivity of the workers in terms of the communication, document processing. The integration of advanced office technology enhances efficiency in the office, it reduces workload, and improves overall business operation. The introduction of this technology has assist skilled workers in numerous ways. Importance of office equipment and technology. It enhances productivity, it improves communication, ensures accuracy, saves time and cost, increases security. What are the basic office equipment? We have a computer. It can be desktop or laptop. At the same time, the use of this work processing in terms of data management and communication in the office, it's enabling multitasking and online collaboration, common software use in terms of Microsoft Office Suite, Google Workplace, and so on and so forth. What are the basic office equipment in terms of printers and scanner? We have so many examples there. We have a inkjet printer, laser printer, 3D printer, and what are the photocopiers used to duplicate documents quickly. Some other models including the scanning and printing functions. The basic office equipment also include the telephones and VoP system in terms of traditional landline. Some people still make use of it, notwithstanding, but in a modernized way. We have so many examples there. You can see it. Then we have the fax machine. It's no more other in use like on before, whereby people make use of it numerously. Then what are the advanced office equipment and smart technology? This time we have a smart board and projectors, whereby it can be used in the office at the same time for presentation and interactive meeting. An example of this, we have a Microsoft Surface Hub Google Jamboard. Then we have the ergonomic office furniture. That is whereby you make use of adjustable chairs and standing desks for employees' comfort. You don't need to be moving your head from one end to the other. All you need to do when you have this chair, it will assist in moving to anywhere you want to move to for comfortability. Then at the same time, it reduces workplace injuries related to posture and long sitting hours. This is very important. Then we have we have the stretchers. This is used to dispose of confidential documents securely instead of looking for how to burn and how to cut it in pieces. You don't need to stretch yourself. All you need to do is just use the stretchers. This stretch machine will squeeze and dispose all these things without anybody noticing what you have already used it for. We have the essential for compliance with data protection regulations. Then the word processing and documentation in the office is one of the digital tools and software for office work. Whereby we have the Microsoft Word, we have the Google Docs, then Adobe Acrobat. All these are part of the digital tools. Then we have the spreadsheet and data management. Under this, whereby we make use of the Excel, and is normally used by the by financial company or used for calculation, then data analysis and recording of and record keeping. Then we have the Google Sheets, cloud-based interactive with collaboration features, Tableau and Power BI. These are advanced tools for data visualization and reporting, which is very essential, and it promotes work and reduce work overload. Then communication and collaboration tools in terms of the emails, Gmail, Microsoft Outlook, instant messaging and video conferencing, Zoom, Microsoft Teams and Slack. Project management software like Trello, Asana, Monday.com. All these are very essential part of communication and collaboration tools, whereby the worker can make use of it conveniently without any problem, and it enhances their performance and it reduces work overload. Then cloud computing and storage, we have the Google Drive, Dropbox and OneDrive. Unlike the traditional method that we make use of disk and flash is still in use, but notwithstanding, all these are very important and it accepts in numerous ways. We have the email communication, and this we have my most common form of office communication must be professional, then and clear. Common emails platform, we have the Gmail, we have the Outlook, Yahoo Mail. Then the key email ethics, I treated that under one topic. We have the use professional language and greetings, like can I help you? What do you want? Can I help you? Can I know your problem? Instead of shouting at your client or your customer or your colleagues at work. Then keep messages short and to the point. You need to just to go straight to the point. You don't need to, to be talking too much on phone when you are addressing some things. Use a clear subject line. Then attach files when necessary. Then respond promptly to important emails that is sent to you. Then we have the video conferencing and online meetings. Today it has assisted in many ways, and the importance cannot be jettisoned in any organized and formal offices today, in such a way that you don't need to stress yourself when you are holding a meeting with your branches in a faraway places. All you need to do is this video conferencing and online meeting. This video conferencing has assisted. It enables remote collaboration and meetings. Popular platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, then Google Meet. Then the best practice for video meetings, we have the text your internet connection and microphone before meeting. Mute yourself when not speaking, very important and essential. Then dress professionally. Don't just put on any casual dressing when you are addressing official matter. Then maintain eye contact by looking at the camera so that your people can see your face and they can understand exactly what you are trying to say. Then we have electronic communication in the office. We have instant messaging and internal communication. This is used for quick communication within the teams. Common tools like Slack, I've talked about that, Team, WhatsApp. If you cannot have something, I think WhatsApp is very common and it's very cheap. Then it helps in reducing email clutter for minor updates. Also, We have office automation and artificial intelligence in office management. Today, everybody, you should be able to understand and believe in me that today everybody is aware of AI. So how do we make use of it in the office? Office automation involves using technology to perform repetitive administrative tasks automatically. Automatically. You don't need to stress yourself. Automatically. These office automation systems, example of it, we have a customer relationship management, CRM software, in terms of Salesforce, HubSpot. Then we have it helps businesses manage customer interaction and improve services. Enterprise resource planning. These are SAP, Oracle ERP. They integrate finances, HR, and operation into one system. We have automated scheduling and appointment system. It will automatically put you on appointment and it will clear it for you. Then example of it, we have the Candy, Google Calendar. Then this help in booking meeting and managing schedule. Unlike that, the secretary is stressing themselves. Then we have the artificial intelligence in the office in terms of the AI power tools, which improve efficiency and in the office operation. Not only that, some of these things, we have the chatbots. You can you are aware of that and you have been making use of it. These chatbots used for customer service and answering phone call. Then not only that, you can chat some things you don't understand. You can go there, you ask any question, it will give you the answer. Then AI power assistant, like Google Assistant, I've talked about that. Then Siri. Then we have automated document processing. AI can analyze and categorize documents automatically for you. You just need to give instruction. If you are not clear, if you are not satisfied, all you need to do is to instruct again, and steadily and step by step you arrive at your destination. The AI driving data analysis help businesses make data driven decisions that can pose problem or whatever they don't understand. Then what are the cybersecurity and data protection in the office? As we have the advantages, we have the disadvantages of it. AI has gone high, has assisted in many ways, notwithstanding, we still have some shortcomings of this. With the increased use of digital tools, offices must prioritize data security to protect sensitive information. If you are not too careful, you are just too loose in the office, visitor can just tamper with your just secret thing, and information is powerful. By the time this information has been tampered with, it can damage or mar the image of that organization or run down the business that you are operating. What are the common cybersecurity risks in the office? We have phishing attacks, that is fraudulent email tracking employees into sharing personal information. I think I've talked about that you need to be very careful, so that even the so-called your colleagues, they must not know all things about your information that have been saved on your system. You have to be careful about it. Then we have the data breaches, unauthorized access to confidential company data. You have to be very careful. Then we have the weak password, easily hackable login credentials. You have to be very careful. I've seen a situation whereby a result is being manipulated and the person just went straight to the former school of this. After claiming the 3 names, getting there, the certificate was released for the person, and before you know it, it has turned to another problem. The man has to go and start from the scratch and rewrite the WAEC again. It's very important. You have to keep all your confidential things safely. Then we have the malware and ransomware. Malware and ransomware. We have these viruses that disrupt office operation, and you have to be very careful about it when you are handling all these things. What are the best practices for? Haven't you known the common security, common ways that people can attack or affect, or that can affect your information? The next thing to know is what are the practices you need to use. You use a strong password, combine letters, numbers and symbols, very important. If they guess your surname, they cannot guess all the common these numbers and symbols. When you combine it, they are powerful password. Don't use weak password. Enable two-factor authentication. Add extra security for login, very important. The regular data backup. This prevents loss of important files. Regular data backup, very, very important. You have to back up because they have told us about anything that can happen to your system, to your desktop, whatever you are using on your laptop. But when you back it up regularly, you can easily retrieve all this information back without struggling with it. Then we have the instance and virus software. Protect against malware threats. Then restrict unauthorized access to your sensitive data, and this will help you. Thank you for listening.